What if you could transform any ordinary image into a stunning piece of blown glass artwork using AI? This effect has been gaining attention because of its incredible transparency, vibrant colors, and realistic reflections. And the best part is that you can create it right inside Kittl. In this video, I'll show you what makes the blown glass effect so visually impressive, why it's becoming popular for apparel design, and how you can create it using AI. Let's get started. When most people think about AI-generated artwork, they usually think of realistic photos, illustrations, or digital paintings. But one of the most unique styles emerging right now is the blown glass effect. At first glance, it looks like something handcrafted by a professional glass artist. The transparency, reflections, and vibrant colors create an almost magical appearance that instantly grabs attention. And what's really interesting is that this effect isn't just great for social media artwork, it can also work incredibly well for DTF printing. So before we create one, let's talk about what makes this style special.
What is a blown glass effect? A blown glass effect is an art style that makes a subject appear as if it were sculpted from real blown glass. The artwork typically features transparent surfaces, glossy highlights, colorful reflections, and the illusion of light passing through the object. What makes it so appealing is the combination of realism and creativity. It takes a normal image and transforms it into something that feels artistic, elegant, and highly detailed. Our eyes are naturally drawn to reflections and light effects, which is why blown glass artwork often stands out immediately when scrolling through social media. The effect creates depth, dimension, and visual interest that many traditional styles simply don't have. And that's exactly why more creators are starting to experiment with it. But visual appeal isn't the only reason this effect is becoming popular.
Why is it perfect for DTF printing? One of the biggest reasons is its premium appearance. Blown glass artwork naturally looks high-end because of its glossy surfaces, vibrant colors, and detailed lighting effects. DTF printing does an excellent job reproducing those details, allowing the artwork to maintain much of its visual impact when transferred onto apparel. Another advantage is color. The bright reflections and rich highlights help the design stand out, especially on darker garments where contrast becomes even more noticeable. The effect also creates a sense of depth that can make a shirt design feel more dynamic and eye-catching. And because this style still isn't commonly used, it gives your designs a unique look that can help them stand out from more traditional graphics. Whether you're creating designs for personal projects, apparel brands, or print-on-demand products, blown glass artwork offers a fresh and modern aesthetic that feels different from what's already out there. Now that you know what makes this style so powerful, let's jump into Kittl and create one ourselves.
Open Kittl and look for a project template that suits our blown glass effect. Customize the template however you like. And here's the customized version of the template. Now, click the Artboard, then select AI Image Board. Paste the prompt into the text box and make sure to use the Nano Banana 2 model and set the size to Match Output. After that, click Generate. And here's the result. It looks like real blown glass to me. I love the colors it generated, and the edges look sharp. This design will look perfect for DTF printing. Now, click the image and select Convert to Image. Then, click Remove Background. After that, create a new artboard and place the design inside it. Now, let's export the image. Position the design so it fills as much of the artboard as possible to maximize the available space. To export, first select the artboard, then click the export icon. Set the resolution to 300 dpi. Enable Remove Background and click Export.
Hey superstars, if you want to know the exact prompt we use, it's all in the DTF Prompt Playbook. 20 AI prompts built specifically for DTF. Link is in the description below. Now back to your video.
And if you want to print your design, head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. We offer different services to help you print your design. Click on DTF Transfers by Size. Here, you can just simply drag and drop the image you're working with. Once the upload is complete, you can see the actual size of your image. If you're not satisfied with it, you can just simply resize it under Step 2. Just make sure your design is set to 300 dpi to ensure it's optimal for DTF printing. Also under Step 2, you can see the price of each design based on its size. Under Step 3, you can see the sample price computation based on quantity. You can also enter a custom quantity if needed. You can also check this box if you wanted it pre-cut. If you want to add more images, you can upload them here. Once done, click on Add to Cart, and then proceed to checkout.
Want professional grade designs without the steep learning curve? That's where Kittl comes in. It's the ultimate shortcut for designing and editing artwork in one place. Best of all, you can get 25% off of any plan when you use my link in the description. Stop searching for the next move and go build something with Kittl. We got the print. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
Let's take a closer look, guys. I gotta be honest with you, this looks so 3D. It's crazy, and I honestly seen a lot of glass blowing videos, so this definitely represents what I see on TV. I like it a lot, guys, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know how it's gonna come out on a shirt, so I'm very interested. I'm more interested in seeing how it's gonna look. The backside looks pretty clean. All the edges look very clean. I didn't notice these were too cut out. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Let's get to it. For today's blank, we're using this 402 style number, Smart Blanks blank. It is a large black tee, feels premium, and it's perfect for DTF. For our heat press, we have a 15 by 15 power press heat press. It is a phenomenal heat press, especially if it's your first time heat press. Very good on its value too, and it's perfect for DTF. If you guys are interested, definitely look at the links in the description below, and let's get started. All right, so let's get started here. First, what we're gonna do is actually find a midway point. So in order to do that, we're gonna want to have the both ends kind of almost meet. So I'm kind of getting a feel like right here is the end. I'm just gonna put a good point right there, one at the bottom. Looks good. Now let's properly align this. So what I like to do, again, try to keep your fingers across so it doesn't touch the panel, but at least like 4 fingers up, just so you could find that, you know, distance away from the collar. I think I got it right on the point. So for our heat press settings, it's going to be 300 degrees for a 7-second press. On that 7-second press, you could either wait good 15 seconds or you could peel right away. All right, let's do a second press. Just gonna put the sheet that we had, just flipping it over, making sure that it covers all edges. Awesome. Now let's press it one more time for 7 seconds. All right. Awesome. Now let's take a closer look. right, guys. Wow, I'm gonna be honest with you, this came out a lot better than I expected. It has like a little bit of a 3D effect onto it. Yeah, I like that it has the two knockouts in the eyes of the O's. That looks pretty crazy. I don't know, all around. I don't know if you guys are into glass blowing, but like it's kind of cool to look at. Yeah, guys, you could replicate this. I do like the way it feels. I do like the cutouts too as well. The edges came out wonderful. And yeah. All right, guys, there you have it, from digital art made by AI using one prompt to this masterpiece. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you guys are looking for the prompt, don't worry, it's coming out soon. All right, guys? So keep posted on that. Definitely give us a comment for what kind of style we should do next. And give us a like if you love the content already. All right, I'll see you guys soon.